Buttermilk Pancakes. This is all you need. Screenshot it for future references. Add a cup of warm milk and vinegar into a mixing bowl. Mix it and let it be for 10 minutes. Once the milk curdles, the fresh buttermilk is ready. In a separate bowl, add a cup of flour, salt, baking powder, sugar, and baking soda. Add in the buttermilk. Mix it well until you get a smooth consistency, like so. Add a bit of vanilla essence and some melted butter. Grease the grill with butter. Pour a scoop of batter. When you see bubbles on the surface, it's time to flip. Flip it over. You can have them stacked or individually. Drizzle a syrup of your choice. Also, it's best served when warm. Take a bite. It'll taste delicious. And the end result will be a thumbs up. Thanks so much.